Expelled RJD lawmaker who had been on the run after allegedly raping a minor has surrendered before the police. The lawmaker Raj Ballabh Yadav has been on the run for the last fortnight. He's accused of raping a class 10 student from his constituency of Nalanda. His party, the RJD, had expelled him and the police had confiscated his property. Earlier this week, the police had in fact moved the Bihar Sharif court seeking permission to auction his property.
मामला न्यायालय में है और न्याय के मंदिर पर हम लोग को पूरा विश्वास है, इसलिए हमने सरेंडर किया है।
क्या आपने सरेंडर कर दिया है?
हाँ, सरेंडर किया है।
जो बोलते हैं तो आप कहाँ इतने देर 1 महीने से कहाँ चल रहे थे राज बल्लभ जी?
हाईकोर्ट में इनका नाम हम लोगों का इंटरसेप्टिंग बेल लगा हुआ था, उसी में नाम क्या है? राज बल्लभ प्रसाद।
क्या आपने इस घटना को अंजाम दिया है जो आपके ऊपर आरोप लगा है?
वो तो कोर्ट फैसला करेगी।
आपने क्या?
Let's get a word from Rohit Singh, who's with us live this evening. Rohit also got that exclusive reaction from Raj Ballabh Singh just as he was surrendering before the court. Rohit, this MLA has been on the run after he was accused of raping a minor. He's also been expelled by the party. What do we expect to see happening from this point onwards?
Well, for last 1 month, Raj Ballabh Yadav was at large and the police was trying to arrest him but could not. And in a very dramatic turn of incident today, Raj Ballabh suddenly appeared at the Bihar Sharif court at around 2 this afternoon and surrendered before the court, and he was immediately sent to 15-day judicial custody. But now the best part is that of the arrest is that the girl in this case, who is a rape survivor, her board examinations are starting from tomorrow, and the girl had refused because of the fear of Raj Ballabh Yadav that she won't be sitting for the board examination because he was not arrested. But now that Raj Ballabh Yadav has been arrested, the family is now exuding confidence that this girl would be appearing for her board examination, which is starting from tomorrow. So that's a good part of the story. After that, after Raj Ballabh's arrest, this rape survivor will in fact be appearing for her board exams.
Well, Rohit, thanks so much for that update. We're going to keep coming back to you for latest in investigation.
This month, this was revealed by Attorney General, who told the Supreme Court that Mallya, who is being sued by a consortium of banks, is not in the country. The Supreme Court has meanwhile issued a notice to Vijay Mallya after the
independent became so much more important to me, and when the opportunity to name a company came in, I sort of felt On Your Own is possibly the best name that could come by.
So, how many of you knew the full form of